Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Festivals of Harvest. In India, the onset of the harvest season in January, celebrated under various regional names, marks the beginning of the country's annual festivities. North Indian Hindus and Sikhs refers to as Maghi, which is preceded by Lohri. In central India, it is called Sukrat. Assamese called it Magh Bihu. In eastern Uttar Pradesh, it is called Khichdi. In Maharashtra, Goa, Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka and Telangana, it is known as Makar Sankranti and also Paush Sankranti. Now information about Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti marks the sun's transit to the Capricorn, which is followed by warmer and longer days. This day marks an end to a bitter cold spell. This period of Uttarayan lasts for around 6 months. Sankranti means movement of the sun, while Makar Sankranti is the most important of all 12 Sankranti that fall in a year. During the festival, people worship the sun god, take a holy dip in sacred water bodies. Now information about Pongal. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, Sri Lanka and Pondicherry. The festival derives its name from the Tamil word meaning spilling over. The festivities began with boiling the season's first rice with milk and jaggery. Bhogi Pongal marks the beginning to 4 days long festivities. It is followed by Surya Pongal and Mattu Pongal on the third day. Kannum marks the conclusion of these festivities. Jallikattu. It is a bull taming sport widely celebrated in the state of Tamil Nadu as part of Pongal celebrations. Jallikattu event in Madurai will be held for 3 days beginning from January 15. This event involves releasing a bull into a crowd of people where participants try to grab hold of the bull's hump in an attempt to stop the bull. Uttarayan. The festival, also known as Uttarayan in Gujarat and Rajasthan, is marked by kite flying. In Gujarat's Ahmedabad, this festival is associated with the popular practice of kite flying. Since 1989, the day has been observed as International Kite Festival. Now it's time for the practice question. The International Kite Festival starting from 1989 is associated with which festival in Gujarat? Diwali, Uttarayan, Navratri or Raksha Bandhan? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Like, share and subscribe for more such content.